Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This video is sponsored by Ultima Markets. Ultima Markets is a multi-licensed and award-winning broker. The platform delivers very fast executions, so scalping strategies works exactly when needed. You can use MT4 and MT5, the most trusted forex tool for traders, and a special offer for KG trading subscribers. There's a 50% plus 20% deposit bonus up to $20,000. Start trading with Ultima Markets using the link in the description below. This is intraday for the gold to see what happened and what it might happen next. So basically what we are looking at here is a potential, of course, bullish scenario unfolding, but we gotta be careful from an expanding flat as well at the same time. Meaning, if we are still in a 1, 2, 3 here, finished over there as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 for a wave 3, and you're still looking for a wave 4 here, we have to be careful, of course, from an expanding flat. Where are we right now? In the fib levels for a wave B expanding flat, which it can, of course, still be a wave B and then moving toward the downside. So we gotta be careful from this scenario. It might be, of course, very tricky here, unless we are very bullish. So if we break the 1.38, 3,394, if the price moves up and takes exactly this price and continue decisively, that means you are in a very bullish scenario here, that it might be unfolding as a 1-2, another 1-2, and another 1-2 here. And in this case scenario, you might be in a massive wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5 towards the upside. Very bullish. Another possibility as well can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal, wave 2, and you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Normally, after a leading diagonal, you get a very shallow wave 2 in time and in fib levels. And in this case scenario, it can be, of course, a 1, 2 here finished already, and you're unfolding a massive wave 3 toward the upside. Now, the only scenario that it is a little bit tricky and scary, I would say, in this area is expanding flat 3 ways down, 3 ways up, and then tricking us and then moving down again for wave 4. In this case scenario, you want to see the price action breaking the 1.38. If the price still under this fib levels, the risk is still there, of course, to come back to this region. And even to take this low over there. But important, of course, is to not take the invalidation here. The invalidation, of course, for this impulse, which is very far right now. And even if we are in an expanding flat, 3,352 is a little bit far from the reach. But even if we are in an expanding flat, it might still, of course, take the low without, of course, hitting the invalidation and then moving toward the upside again. So yeah, let's watch what's gonna happen for the gold. That was it for the intraday updates, and we'll see, of course, what's gonna happen. Let's watch this key level, of course, which is your confirmation, by the way. Let me put it there, confirmation for higher. Okay, so if we pass this decisively, that is a confirmation, of course, for higher prices. The next target, by the way, also before finishing, is your 1-to-1 fib level, taken from the A here to the B to the C. You have $3,455 might be hit as common target, uncommon target 3,437. That was it for the gold. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.